what has me. For example, a series of numbers which progresses continuously has me. Means, for example, let us take has me. If I take a number like, if I take an example like this, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8. If I keep so on, is there any end for this has me?
No, sir.
So it progresses like that with a proper pattern has means you can tell next which number will come, and after that next which number will come, we can tell it.
Yes, sir.
So this type of series where which follows a particular pattern with a fixed rule has been, this pattern we will be able to tell it by, because everywhere the difference, like if you see the numbers here, everywhere like the number is increasing by 1 only.
Yes, sir.
First number to second number to third number, like that every number exactly 1 only we have to add it as.
Okay, sir.
So this type of series is said to be arithmetic series or arithmetic progression has, which goes on like this. So in arithmetic progression has the numbers will follow the whatever the terms of the numbers. Individually we'll call these as terms in the series has.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is continuously, this is a series which goes on like that. In this series, each and every number will call it as a term. So these terms will follow certain rules. Okay, what is the rule here? They have a common difference same.
Okay, sir.
Means what? Like if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Hasni, what is the difference between 2 and 1 Hasni?
1.
3 and 2,
1, sir.
4 and 3 also 1 Hasni, 5 and 6 like that. How many if we write also?
1 only.
We are able to tell the series because the reason is everywhere the difference is 1 only. That's why we are able to tell the next number 7, 8, 9, 10 like.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I write different series like 1, 5, 11, then 17, then 38. If you see this particular series, here difference is 4, here difference is 6. Here 17 minus 11 is again 6. 38 minus 17 is something else.
Okay,
So
sir.
can we tell the next number has to be? Is it possible for us to tell the next number here, Hasni, in this series?
No, sir.
Because the reason is we don't have the particular pattern or the numbers didn't, the terms of in the terms in this series didn't follow a particular pattern or a particular rule.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni? That's the reason why next numbers we cannot tell. Whereas in the above series, since the numbers or the terms of the series are following particular pattern, those terms are said, if suppose the series of numbers follow that particular pattern has been, we'll say that they are said to be in arithmetic progression.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
What is that? Arithmetic, ARTHMIT, arithmetic progression. Progression means it progresses like this.
Okay, sir.
Means we can tell whatever the terms we get in that progression next by looking at the previous terms.
Okay, sir.
Simply if you add this common, this one whatever we were telling before is nothing but called as a common difference.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if I write a series like this, 5, 11, 17, 23 like that has me. So here the common difference is
6.
everywhere 6 has me. 11 minus 5 is 6. 11, 17 minus 11 is 6. 20 minus 17 is 6 like that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So Hasmi, in our syllabus, the first exercise Hasmi in arithmetic progressions chapter, simply they will ask us, they'll give certain questions Hasmi. In first exercise, the model, here the model Hasmi, simply they'll give some number of series Hasmi, some numbers in the list.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and they'll ask us to check whether they follow or whether they are in arithmetic progression or not.
Okay, sir.
That is the entire first exercise. Entire first exercise will be like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So few statements, questions will be there, and few normal numbers list. They'll give some numbers in an order like that, and they'll ask us to check whether the given series is following the arithmetic progression or not like that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasmi. So Hasmi, because of that reason, we just have to check the common difference.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
Common difference means Hasmi. So ask me like that in the first exercise, simply they'll give some list of numbers and we need to check whether it is AP or not. That is arithmetic progression or not by checking the common difference. Okay, ask me. Is it okay, ask me? I'll mute it.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ask me. Then from the second exercise onwards, actual chapter starts, ask me. Second exercise is they'll already give the series of numbers in arithmetic progression. Means they will only tell that the numbers are following arithmetic progression. We have to just find out the fifth term or seventh term, like that they'll give us. So what are terms like if I write, I was telling like before, ask me, if I write a list of series like this, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, like that. In this, I was telling before, ask me that each and every number in this list, we'll call it as a term, Hasmi. Okay. What will you call, Hasmi?
Term.
Term. So first term. First term means first term. How much Hasmi in this list?
5.
Yes, Hasmi. So we'll represent the first term with small letter A.
Okay.
Okay. Or A1 also we can. So after looking at the series, first term means what, Hasmi? From now we should write simply A or A1. Okay. One will write it down. So A1 is 5, Hasmi. Okay.
Okay.
Then second term Hasmi is A2, like that we'll write.
Okay.
Third term A3, fourth term A4, fifth term A5. 5 will write down like. If I write A6, ask me what does that mean? Sixth term in that series.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I
Okay.
write A7, seventh term, A8, eighth term, like that. A100,
100.
100. So we'll get certain formula kind of thing, Hasni, later, and we'll have to find out using that formula. Like in this series, in thousandth place, which number will come directly, we can find out,
Okay,
or
sir.
hundredth place, because we cannot count all the numbers and tell hundredth place this number. That will take time.
Yes, sir.
So we have to we require a formula where, like here, if you see 9 is a third number, like that hundredth number is what to know that to tell that one, we will get the answer.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So like that. So we can find out any term in the series, Hasni, using the formula if we know the first term. And I was telling common difference, Hasni. Common difference is nothing but if you do second term minus first term, that is called as common
Difference.
difference, which will use it with DIFFERENCE, Hasni. Your space is not it. Which will use it with a small letter D.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So A2 minus A1 if you do, or A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 means what, Hasni? Third term minus
Second term.
second term. That also will get same answer if it is AP.
Okay.
A4 minus A3 is also
Same.
same answer. So fourth term minus third term, like that, same answer. A5 minus A is also same. Like that, we will get a common difference formula also. Hasni, AN minus AN minus 1. What is this one in coming days? Again, I'll explain us.
Okay.
Because here 5 is there means here 4 will come. Like that, here n is there means n minus 1 means 1 less than that. N minus 1 means what, Hasni? 1 less than that.
Less than that.
So an minus 1 is the common difference formula, Hasni, actually.
Okay.
Anyways, I'll explain that common difference formula once again. So, Hasni, have you understood the common difference and terms representation, Hasni, in arithmetic progression?
Sir,
So now in the
okay.
entire first exercise, we need to do this only.
Okay.
What we should do, they'll give some series of numbers and they'll ask us to check whether this series follows AP or not.
Okay,
That is
sir.
arithmetic progression or not, Hasni.
Oh,
In that case, simply what we should do is we have to find out few common differences like this using the terms. Like
okay.
you have to find out A2 minus A1, then A3 minus A2, then A4 minus A3.
50.
Like that, at least three common differences we'll find out as.
Okay, sir.
If all of them will come same, if all of them will come equal, then that particular series will follow arithmetic progression.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, we'll say otherwise, no, the series is not in AP like that. Means not in arithmetic progression.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So this is the introduction part of the arithmetic progression chapter, Hasni. So terms, so each and every number in the series is called as a term. So like that, terms will be represented with letters A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 like that. And common difference is represented with letter D, Hasni. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
now, Hasni, while we are discussing the formula in this series, like I said, like if I write a series like uh, some 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on like that. In the nth place what will come is an will call. An means what the
And the,
nth term. Is to get the formula we require this. Means an is the one which will use it for nth term. Means like for example, if I write a5 means it is fifth term now. I was
yes,
telling before. A1 means it is first term.
yes, sir.
A2 means second term like that. An means nth term. So an is the nth term in this series also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. To find out the nth term, we will get one formula. So if suppose n in the place of n, if you write 100, you will get 100th term. In the place of n, if you write 1, you will get first term. In the place of n, if you write 2, you will get second term like that. N will be replaced with whatever requirement we have, like whatever it is asked n value, that will keep it in the place of n and we'll find out possibly. So
Okay,
we'll get a common formula for an, which we'll call nth term as a plus n minus 1 into b. This formula we'll use it to find out the nth term. Means this is a common formula, Hasni, where we'll replace the n value and d value and a value with whatever given in the question. Suppose if you want 100th term, simply n will replace it with 100 Hasni.
okay, sir.
So like that. And whatever values that are given in the question, we'll replace it and we'll just find out the required value, Hasni.
Okay,
Okay. So Hasni, just a second, Hasni, I'll open the PDF. We'll do a few questions. Okay, so once we read the first question, Hasni, main heading exercise 5.1.
in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why?
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, to make a list of numbers, first thing they should give the list of numbers. They didn't. Did they give the list of numbers in the question, Hasni? Hasni? Did they give the numbers list, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Hasni, yes, sir.
yes, sir.
But where is the list, Hasni? They didn't give the list, no, Hasni. They gave a statement, no.
Oh, okay, sir.
So Hasni, here means what is the main heading, Hasni? They said that. We said that in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression, has
Okay,
means they gave some situations in our day-to-day life
okay, sir.
in the statement form. Using that statement, we'll write the list of numbers
Okay,
using that statement. And after writing the list of numbers, we'll check whether that will follow arithmetic progression or not. So to follow arithmetic progression, Hasni, the common difference between the terms should be same.
yeah.
It's no, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So now first question once read it, Hasni.
So first question, first bit or question, sir?
Yes, Hasni. First bit, Hasni. So main heading is common for all of them, Hasni. This is common for all of them.
Okay, so the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer.
Yes, Hasni. Means what? Meaning we just have to taxi fare for each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer, Hasni. Means first kilometer it is 15 rupees it's in Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So this, let us take it as a first term, first kilometer. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So now Hasni, what did they say further? 8 rupees will be added for every additional kilometer.
Additional
Suppose the
kilometer.
person traveled the 2 kilometers, Hasni. He will have to pay 15 for the first kilometer and plus 8 for the
Additional kilometers.
yes, Hasni. So how much he has to pay finally? 23. Because first kilometer 15 rupees And second kilometer, 1 extra kilometer he has to pay plus 8.
Okay,
So
sir.
total, if suppose he traveled 2 kilometers, it will become 23 rupees.
Okay, sir.
So now suppose he will travel third kilometer, let us take additionally third kilometer. Till second kilometer it was 23 rupees. Again extra we have to add 8 only. Okay. So
Okay.
23 plus 8, 31.
Okay, sir.
So A4. Now for example, fourth term is 31 plus 8 because up to third kilometer we already found out 31 rupees. And extra 1 kilometer, 8 rupees extra if you add. So 39. So till fourth kilometer we have found out as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm writing the list of numbers like this one. 15, 15, this has me 23, 31,
13.
39, and it will go on like that. So firstly, I'm finding out the first common difference. A2 minus A1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
23 minus 15. How much has me?
23
8.
minus 15, 8, sir.
No. One more common difference I'm finding out as A3 minus A2. That is third term minus second term. Again, it is 8 has me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then finally, one more common, at least 3 common differences we should find out as A4 minus A3. Again, it is 8. Yes or no, Husnu?
Yes, sir.
So, Asni, because of that reason, everywhere we can see common differences
8.
8 only for this particular situation of pair Hasni,
Okay, sir.
taxi pair. So, because of that reason, this situation follows arithmetic progression. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, first one, S Hasni, the reason is the common difference between the every successive kilometer is same in the fare. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
8 rupees only is extra getting added for every additional kilometer. So clearly the amount that is the fare amount for every additional kilometer is following arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir.
So first one answer is S as per the first situation.
Okay, sir.
This is one of the situation in day-to-day life, no, Ashley?
Yes, sir.
So that's why they said in the main heading following in which of the following situations. So all these will be similar situations like that. Few of them will follow AP, few of them will not follow AP.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay, Ashley? Any doubt, Ashley?
No, sir.
Okay, Ashley. So Ashley, from the second bit onwards, especially shall we do it in our next class, Ashley?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ashley. Okay, Ashley. Bye, Ashley.
Bye, sir.